धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
Next we have students of class 5 presenting a dance in Brahma Okate, meaning there is only one God.
పరబ్రహ్మ ఒక్కటే బ్రహ్మ ఒక్కటే పరబ్రహ్మ ఒక్కటే బ్రహ్మ ఒక్కటే పరబ్రహ్మ ఒక్కటే తందనానానము తందనానాపురం తందనానా బడా తందనానా బడా తందనా ఉబడా తందనానా బ్రహ్మ ఒక్కటే పరబ్రహ్మ ఒక్కటే బ్రహ్మ ఒక్కటే పరబ్రహ్మ ఒక్కటే తందనానానము తందనానాపురం తందనానా బడా తందనానా బడా తందనా బడా తందనానా కందులకు హీనాదిగమునంతలేము అందరికి శ్రీహరే అంతరాత్మ కందులకు హీనాదిగమునంతలేము అందరికి శ్రీహరే అంతరాత్మ హరే అంతరాత్మ శ్రీహరే అంతరాత్మ ఇందులో జంతువుల విందాడొకటే ఇందులో జంతువుల విందాడొకటే అందరికి శ్రీహరే అంతరాత్మ హరే అంతరాత్మ శ్రీహరే అంతరాత్మ బ్రహ్మం ఒక్కటే పరబ్రహ్మ ఒక్కటే బ్రహ్మం ఒక్కటే పరబ్రహ్మ బ్రాహ్మణుడు పెట్టు భూమి ఒకటే ఎంతైన బ్రాహ్మణుడు పెట్టు భూమి ఒకటే చండాలుంటేటి సరి భూమి ఒకటే చండాలుంటేటి సరి భూమి ఒకటే సరి భూమి ఒకటే సరి భూమి ఒకటే బ్రహ్మం ఒకటే పరబ్రహ్మం ఒకటే
Let us bring our mind and soul together by listening to chanting of slokas by our primary and secondary students.
गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुविष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः सागरं जङ्गमं व्याप्तं यत्किञ्चित् सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः चिन्मयं व्यापि यत्सर्वं त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः सर्वश्रुतिशिरोरत्न विराजितपदाम्बुजः वेदान्ताम्बुजसूर्यो यः तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः चैतन्यशाश्वतशान्तो व्योमाधीतो निरञ्जनः बिन्दुनाथकलाधीतः तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः ज्ञानशक्तिसमारूढः तत्त्वमाला विभूषितः भुक्तिमुक्तिप्रदाता च तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः अनेकजन्मसम्प्राप्त कर्मबन्धविदाहिने आत्मज्ञानप्रदानेन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः पोषणं भवसिन्धोष ज्ञापनं सारसम्पतः गुरुर्पादोदकं सम्यक् तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः न गुरोरधिकं तत्त्वं न गुरोरधिकं तपः तत्त्वज्ञानात् परं नास्ति तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः मन्नाथ श्रीजगन्नाथ मद्गुरु श्रीजगद्गुरु मदात्मा सर्वभूता सर्वात्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुरादिरनादेश्च गुरुर्परमदैवतं गुरुर्परतरं नास्ति तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव। ब्रह्ममुरारिसुरार्चितलिङ्गं निर्मलभाषितशोभितलिङ्गं जन्मसदुःखविनाशनलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गं। देवमुनिप्रवराचितलिङ्गं कामदहं करुणाकरलिङ्गं रावणदर्पविनाशनलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गं। वसुगन्धिसुलेपितलिङ्गं बुद्धिविवर्धनकारणलिङ्गं सिद्धसुरासुरवन्दितलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गं। कनहमहामणिभूषितलिङ्गं फणिपतिवेष्टितशोभितलिङ्गं दक्षसुयज्ञविनाशनलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गं। कुङ्कुमचन्दनलेपितलिङ्गं पङ्कजहारशुशोभितलिङ्गं सञ्जितपापविनाशनलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गं। देवगणार्जितसेवितलिङ्गं भावयर्भक्तिभिरेव च लिङ्गं दिनकरकोटिप्रभाकरलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम्। अष्टतलोपरिवेष्टितलिङ्गं सर्वसमुद्भवकारणलिङ्गम् अष्टदरिद्रविनाशनलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम्। सुरगुरुसुरवरपूजितलिङ्गं सुरवरपुष्पसदार्चितलिङ्गं परात्परं परमात्मकलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गं। लिङ्गाष्टकमिदं पुण्यं यः पदे शिवसन्निधौ शिवलोकमवाप्नोति शिवेद सममोदते। विदिता किल शास्त्रसुधा जलते महितोपनिषत् कथितार्थनिधे हृदये कलये विमलं शरणं भवशङ्करदेशिक मे शरणम्। करुणावरुणालय पालय मां भवसागरदुःखविदूर्णहृदम् रचया किल दर्शनतत्त्वविदं भवशङ्करदेशिक मे शरणम्। भवता जनता सुहिता भविता निजबोधविचारणचारुमते कलयेश्वर जीवविवेकविदं भवशङ्करदेशिक मे शरणम्। भव एव भवानिति मे नितरां समजायत चेतसि कौतुकिता मम वारय मोहमहाजलधिं भवशङ्करदेशिक मे चरणम्। सुकृते दुकृते बहुता भवतु बहिता समदर्शनलालसदा अतिदीनविमं परिपाकृत्य मां भवशङ्करदेशिक मे शरणम्। जनदीनवित्वं कलिकालयो विचरन्ति महामसच्चलतः अहिमांशुरिमात्रविभासि गुरो भवशङ्करदेशिक मे शरणम्। विदिता न मया विशदैककला न किञ्चन काञ्चन अस्ति गुरो धृतमेव विदेहि कृपां समजा भवशङ्करदेशिक मे शरणम्। भवशङ्करदेशिक मे शरणम्। भवशङ्करदेशिक मे शरणम्।
Are going to present a dance based on celestial wedding between Lord Shiva and Parvati.
पदौ तूकी आडो
இடது பதவுதோக்கி ஆடோ இடது பதவுதோக்கி ஆடோ நடராஜனடி பணிபயே 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 இடது பதவுதோக்கி ஆடோ படவரவாட புலியதடாட படவர ஆட புலியதடாட படவர ஆட புலியத ஆட பக்தர்கள் மீது எனவே புலுகடலீர்கள் குளிர பக்தர்கள் மீது எனவே புலிபடுதலீர்கள் குளிர இல்லையிலே இடது பதவுதோக்கி ஆடோ நடராஜனடி பணிபயே இடது பதவுதோக்கி ஆடோ திருவடி சிலம்புகள் எழீரென திருவடி சிலம்புகள் எழீரென திருமுடியில மதியொளி பழியே பளீரென திருமுடி இளமதியொளி பழியே பழி என ரிமிக்கிட்டதறி கிட்டஜம் என திருமால் மத்தள மதிரோரிவி கிட்டதறி கிட்டஜம் என திருமால் மத்தள மதிர சிவகாமி மணாள திருச்சிற்றம்பலத்தனிலே சிவகாமி மணாள திருச்சிற்றம்பலத்தனிலே சிவகாமி மணாள திருச்சிற்றம்பலத்தனிலே புன்னகையோடிடது பதவுதோக்கி ஆடோ நடராஜனடி பணிபயே இடது பதவுதோக்கி ஆடோ நடராஜனடி பணிபயே இடது பதவுதோக்கி ஆடோ
Thank you, kids, for your marvelous performance. 10 avatars of Lord Mahavishnu are arranged in the form of dance by our little friends, praising the greatness and reason behind each avatar.
Thank you, friends, for your fabulous performance. Now, students of classes 1 and 2 are going to highlight the values of respecting our parents through a
Nuan Sataki, an ideal couple, lived in a city known as Pandalpur and later as Pandaripuram. They were very much devoted to God, but their son Pundarika was extremely greedy and selfish. Pundarika never took care of his parents. Let us see what happens. My dear son, your mother and I have decided go to Kasi. We may not return from there. My dear son, please stop spending money on unwanted things. Pundarika, spend money only for necessary things. It is easy to spend money, but it is difficult to earn it. Stop your advice. I know what I should do. Don't interfere in my life. When are you leaving? I cannot arrange for any house card. You have to go on your own. Okay, son. We will take care of that. That's good. I am free now. Nobody can question me. I can spend money as much as I wish and enjoy my life. Come on, friends. Let us buy whatever we want. I have lot of money with me. After some days, Pundarika loses everything. His wife also leaves him and he starts wandering in the forest. Oh no! You lost everything! I cannot live with you. I am going to my father's house. Oh, I feel very tired. I see an ashram there. Let me go there and take rest. Who are these ugly ladies and what are they doing here? After their work, those ladies go inside the kutte and when they come out, to Pundarika's surprise, they are looking very beautiful. What a surprise! How have you changed? So beautiful. Who are you all? We are Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati, the holy rivers of India. People take a dip and bathe in us to wipe away their sins. The impurity of their mind, body and soul make us dirty. That's why we were looking so ugly. To wash away all their sins, we come and do service to Kuktamuni. Is that so? Let me see how you do that. Hey, you sinners, stop there. You just go away and get rid of your sins. Oh, kind ladies, in what way? The Rishi is special? How does he perform this miracle? Is he a great man? He is not performing yaga yajnas or doing Kshetradarshana. He is not even doing is only doing service to his parents tirelessly day and night. Service to one's parents is really great, makes a person divine. At least from now onwards, if you take care of your parents, you will be blessed and you could even get the darshan of the Lord. Let me go inside the kutter. Oh Swami, can you please tell me how far is Kasi from here? I want to go there and find my parents. I want to do seva for them as you do to your parents, and I want to have powers like you. Are you deaf? Can you not answer me? I am asking you, how far is Kasi from here? Kukutamuni does not answer him. Pundarika gets angry and tries to kick the Muni. Suddenly, his legs become numb and he stumbles on the ground. He is not able to walk. Pundarika realizes his mistake. Oh, what have I done? Pundarika, get up. Please tell me what kind of prayer I should do to relieve myself from this great sin. Whatever you tell, I am willing to do it.
Pundarika, you go and find your parents. At least from now onwards, do service to your parents. No other karma is superior than seva to elderly the parents. The Lord will also be pleased.
Thank you, Swami. I will go and find my parents. Did you see my parents? At last he finds them in Kasi and prostrates at their feet. Oh father! Oh mother! Pundarika, what happened to you? We feel sad to see you in this condition. Tell us what happened. I feel ashamed for throwing you out of the house. I was so arrogant and foolish. Please forgive me and come along with me. I will take care of you and always be at your service. His father, who sees a sea of change in his son's behavior, just lifts and hugs. And Pundarika is surprised to see that his legs have become all right. Finally, they all return home happily together. Every day, Pundarika took care of his parents. He pressed their legs when they went to bed. He saw his parents and felt it as service to Lord Krishna himself. One day, Pundarika, may I know who has come to see me?
I am Lord Krishna. I am very much pleased with your devoted service to your parents. I have come here to bless you.
Krishna? Oh, I am doing service to my parents. My father is sleeping. I don't want to disturb him. Here is a brick. Please stand on this brick and I'll come as soon as I finish my seva to my parents. I am really sorry for keeping you waiting. Actually, Indra was slain in a form of a stone due to a curse from Lord Shiva, As soon as the Lord's feet touch him, he gets relieved from his curse. He prostrates before Lord Krishna and leaves for his abode. Madhava, Keshava, Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Son, with whom are you talking? Father, Lord Krishna is waiting outside to see me. Oh no, Lord Krishna has come here. Pundarika, what have you done? Great sages to penance for years to get this darshan and you're keeping him waiting? Come on, let's go out. I wanted to show to the people of the world that service to one's parents is more important. I am very much pleased with you. Ask for a wish, Pundarika. Please give mukti to my parents, my wife and me. And please stay here in Pandharpur forever. And bless the people who come here and get your darshan and liberate them from their sins. As you wish. From then onwards, Pandharpur was known as Pandaripuram and Lord Krishna is worshipped as Panduranga. He is also called Vitoba. Abhivadana-sheelasya nityam reddopasevinaha chatvaretasya vardante ayurvedya yashobalam. A person who by nature respects and serves elders, 4 things occur to him: long life, knowledge, fame and strength.
Thank you, friends. The skit was an eye-opener. We should not be arrogant but show respect to our parents. Let us lend our ears to be a part of the musical world. Here we are students of primary and secondary to take us to the world of mesmerizing ecstasy to their wonderful bhajans.
Ekatantam mahakayam taptakanchana sannibam lambodaram visalaksham vandeham gananayakam gajamuka gananada gauri janaya gananada gajamuka gananada gauri janaya gananada moshika vahana gananada modagahasta gananada moshika vahana gananada modagahasta gananada Malakarna Gananada Vilamrita Sutra Gananada Malakarna Gananada Vilamrita Sutra Gananada Ekadantane Gananada Ekadantane Gananada Tava Pada Namaste जय जय सद्गुरु महारानी अमृतानंदमयी जय जय दुर्गा महारानी अमृतानंदमयी जय जय सद्गुरु महारानी अमृतानंदमयी जय जय दुर्गा महारानी अमृतानंदमयी अमृतेश्वरी भवानी अमृतेश्वरी शिवानी अमृतेश्वरी भवानी अमृतेश्वरी शिवानी नारायणी मम जननी अम्मा अमृतानंदमयी पूर्ण ब्रह्म स्वरूपिणी सच्चिदानंदमूर्तये आत्मारामाग्रगण्याये अमृतेश्वरी नमो नमः सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते जय जय सद्गुरु महारानी अमृतानंदमयी जय जय दुर्गा महारानी अमृतानंदमयी जय जय सद्गुरु महारानी अमृतानंदमयी जय जय दुर्गा महारानी अमृतानंदमयी सुधामयी दयामयी प्रभामयी जगन्मयी सुरेश्वरी महेश्वरी शिवङ्करी अभयङ्करी सुधामयी दयामयी प्रभामयी जगन्मयी सुरेश्वरी महेश्वरी शिवङ्करी अभयङ्करी सुहासिनी सुहासिनी नित्य ब्रह्मचारिणी यशस्विनी तेजस्विनी सर्वलोक पावनी सुहासिनी सुहासिनी नित्य ब्रह्मचारिणी यशस्विनी तेजस्विनी सर्वलोक पावनी जय जय सद्गुरु महारानी अमृतानंदमयी जय जय दुर्गा महारानी अमृतानंदमयी जय जय सद्गुरु महारानी अमृतानंदमयी जय जय दुर्गा महारानी अमृतानंदमयी 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 जय जय सद्गुरु महारानी अमृतानंदमयी माता अमृतानंदमयी देवी की जय कृष्ण कृष्ण मुकुंद जनार्दना कृष्ण कृष्ण मुकुंद जनार्दना कृष्ण गोविंद नारायण हरे कृष्ण गोविंद नारायण हरे अच्युतानंद गोविंद माधव अच्युतानंद गोविंद माधव सच्चिदानंद नारायण हरे सच्चिदानंद नारायण हरे नारायण नारायण अति आनंद दे परमानंद दे तेरे नाम का गुण गान जय राम जय श्री राम रघुपति राघव राजा राम अति आनंद दे परमानंद दे तेरे नाम का गुण गान जय राम जय श्री राम रघुपति राघव राजा राम जय जय राम 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 सीता 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 राम दो अक्षरों का नाम तेरा महिमा उसकी शब्दों के पार दो अक्षरों का नाम तेरा महिमा उसकी शब्दों के पार पापों का भाषण में मिटे दो बजे जय श्री राम पापों का भाषण में मिटे दो बजे जय श्री राम जय जय राम 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 सीता 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 राम अति आनंद दे परमानंद दे तेरे नाम का गुण गान जय राम जय श्री राम रघुपति राघव राजा राम जय जय राम 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 सीता 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 जानकी कांत स्मरणम जय जय राम राम श्री आंजनेयं अंजन कुमारं वायुकुमारं वानरवीरं श्री आंजनेयं नमो
friends, for your melodious bhajans. Our country is filled with different art forms. These art forms are inseparable from our cultural heritage. The Oyilatam, Mailatam, and Kavadiyatam are the distinct art forms of Tamil Nadu. Here we proudly present before you the most impressive dance by our dear friends.
For a splendid performance. Now we are students of class 7 presenting a dance on Tillana.